Alright guys, so we're back with another video. We're on the JR50 today. Austin got it fixed. And he's got a little track out here. So we're going to do some time trials, see who has the fastest time, and then we're going to wheelie this little fucker around. I know he's good at it. I have not tried, so this should make for an interesting video. Usually I'm the one that's good at riding, but not today. Oh, that's all he says. I see.
Don't make me get the YZ out and show him who's better at riding.
Okay, well, we don't need to do that. Alright, so we're going to strap the GoPro up onto our heads so you guys can see what's going on. And alright, so we got Austin on the JR50. He's going to run first. I'm going to be behind him on the four-wheeler, make sure the little shit don't cheat. Yeah, I'm just fucking with you. Alright, so this is our finish line. I'm going to have the time going on my phone. Alright, so you guys saw the run on the GoPro. Here's the time. Austin still has no clue. Got 5:2.99.
52 seconds. Okay.
99 milliseconds. Yep.
Do you want me to put it in like notes, or you just want me to move it?
We'll remember. It's on video.
Yeah. Okay, so he finished. He doesn't know his time yet. You can see I obviously beat him. His time was 104.78. God damn it.
He had a little trouble around that berm back there.
Oh, dude, I did. I almost ate shit. You'll see that on this GoPro.
It was funny.
Yeah, I was scared. I kept trying to hit the back brake. There is the back brake.
No, if you want to take a look down here, we totally disconnected the back brake because the foot pegs would push down on it and then cause drag, and it just wasn't good.
Yeah, I was fucking flying and had no brakes, so I tried to take it. I didn't put it down.
The front brake works.
I figured that out when I came back around. Yeah, I was shit.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so we got the JR50 put away for now. And Austin was showing me this wrecked four-wheeler they got down here. It's a 252 stroke Polaris something or other. And Trailblazer. And we're going to try and yank it out with the big old 850. So this should be pretty interesting. I think he's going to take the motor, try and put it in a go-kart, and me and Johnny will take a lot of the frame and everything and use it for other projects. So we'll get it all hooked up. Alright, attempt number 1. Alright, we rolled it. Alright, here we fucking go, round 2. now. Give her one more good one.
What?
Back up a little more and give her another good one. There. Hell yeah. She moved. Oh shit. Well, four-wheeler's stuck now. Okay. It's that tree. God damn, guys.
Let's get the tractor. We'll pull the four-wheeler with the tractor.
Yeah, alright. Alright, guys, we got the tractor. I'm on the four-wheeler. We're getting it! Hell yeah! Right on, he ain't even hooked on. Hell yeah, guys.
Alright, so we don't really have plans for it right now. We just wanted to get it out, so he's gonna put it kind of like right in that area. Yeah, she's pretty beat.
Yeah. Just a little bit. Hell yeah.
But
It's out.
it's out where we thought it was gonna lay for the rest of its life.
Yeah. But it's out.
Took some work to get it out. John Deere had to pull the 850 to get it out.
Yeah.
Still recording.
Right on. But hell yeah, it's out. There's still definitely a lot of good usable stuff on here.
Just a lot of bad things. I don't know where they put VINs on this, so I couldn't tell you the year.
Yeah, somewhere on the frame, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Well, alright guys, I think we're gonna close the video off here today. Camera's getting low. Have another slow one. Austin in the video again, like always. So I guess for the next one, I know I probably said this last time, but after this one, we'll be with little Johnny. He'll finally be back in the videos. So if you liked, definitely please leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one. Douches.